In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Facebook Messenger chats. If you've switched phones, reinstalled the app, or you're just setting things up again, these steps will help you bring your conversations back safely and quickly. First, install and open the Messenger app. Download it from your device's official app store so you know you're getting the legitimate version. A stable internet connection is important here, because restoration can involve securely downloading encrypted data. Once it's installed, tap to open Messenger and let it load fully before moving on. Next, log into your account. Use the same Facebook account you used before, since your backups are tied to that identity. Depending on your security settings, you might be asked to verify your login, which is normal. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one profile or device. When you're signed in, look for the prompt that says, "Restore now." This appears automatically when Messenger detects a backup associated with your account. Tap Restore Now to begin. If you don't see the prompt, it usually means there isn't a compatible backup for this account or device, or your chats may have already been restored. Give it a moment to appear, and avoid force closing the app during this stage. Finally, enter your PIN, Google account on Android, Apple ID on iPhone, or your recovery code, depending on what Messenger asks for. This step unlocks your encrypted backup. If you set a PIN previously, enter that exact PIN. It's the one you created when enabling backup protection. On Android, you may be asked to confirm with your Google account to authorize the restore. On iPhone, you may be prompted to authenticate with your Apple ID, Face ID, or Touch ID to verify your identity. If you saved a recovery code instead of a PIN, type it carefully. Keep all of this information private and secure. Don't share it with anyone. If something doesn't match, pause and double-check rather than repeatedly guessing. After you confirm, Messenger will start restoring your chats. Keep the app open, stay connected to Wi-Fi or reliable data, and be patient. Larger histories can take longer. You'll see conversations reappear as the process completes. Remember, only messages that were included in your backup can be restored. Anything never backed up won't show up. That's it. By installing and opening Messenger, logging in, tapping Restore Now, and entering your PIN, Google account, Apple ID, or recovery code, you'll have your chats back and be ready to pick up right where you left off.